Hello everybody. Today we are going to make a game using Scratch program. The name of the game is Butterfly versus Beetle. Let me explain what we want to achieve in this project. First, on the screen we have three sprites. One of them is a butterfly, the other one is beetle, and third one is an apple. We are going to control our butterfly and then our beetle using our arrow keys and W, A, S and Z. For the butterfly, we are going to use arrow keys. Up arrow, down arrow, left and right arrow. For the beetle, we are going to use W for going up, Z, S for going down, A for going left and D for going right. So when any sprite, butterfly or beetle go in any direction, first they change their position by 10 units. After that one, they change their costume. If we check here, for example, this is the code for butterfly. In the butterfly, when up arrow key pressed, butterfly changes y direction by 10 units, and then it changes its costume, and then next it changes color by 25 units. The same thing is true with the down arrow. It's going down, that's why y is minus or negative 10. Next costume and change color effect by 25 units. When right arrow key pressed, changing x by 10, next costume, and then next changing color effect by 25, the same thing. When left arrow key pressed, change x by negative 10 because it's going in negative direction. Next costume and change color effect by 25 units. When we come the code for beetle, if you check here, when S key pressed, change Y by negative 10 because it's going down. Next costume and then change the color. When A key pressed, so it's going to go left. That's why it's going to change X direction by negative 10 units since it's going in negative direction. Next costume and change color effect by 25 units. Next, when W key pressed, W will take the beetle up, so the Y is going to change by 10 units. Next costume and then changing color. The last item, when the D key pressed, it's going to change X by 10 units. Next costume and changing color effect by 25 units. So we are going to come to this one. And then this is the code for the apple. In the beginning, apple, when we click the green flag, here is explained. When we click the green flag, apple goes to a random location. So we are saying that it's going to pick a random location for x, negative 240 to positive plus 240. Why these numbers are true? Because the very left location border is the location where negative 240 located. Negative 240 and then until positive 240 here. on the very right corner or side. And then the same is true for y. For y, it's going to pick a random location between negative 180, which is very down location, very bottom location, and then positive 180, which is very top position. Okay, so we are going to set beetles score to 0, and then we are going to set butterflies score to 0. We are going to do it in variables. So, and then after that, now forever is going to check if butterfly is touching the apple. If butterfly touch the apple, there will be a pop sound, and then again apple will go to a random location. We are going to change the score of butterfly by 1 point. This means when the butterfly touch the apple, as you see, we heard a pop sound. Apple went to a random location on the screen, and then butterfly score increased by 1 point. In the same sense, when a beetle moved and then touched the apple, beetle, okay, let's do it one more time. When the beetle touched the apple, normally it's supposed to give a pop sound, and then it's supposed to go to a random location. So what is wrong here? When we look at, okay, as we see, there is nothing wrong with the butterfly. The code is working fine, but for the beetle, it's not working. We will try to fix this issue. Okay, so let's try again one more time. Okay, there is no problem with butterfly, but for beetle, so while we are moving up and down or left or right, yeah, it's working. But okay, so this is the touching. So if can we fix the issue? Okay, so the issue is here. The code is all about apple, and when the apple touching what? It's not, is it bat or what? It's beetle. Okay, and then when we change this code, and then so let's start again. I hope this time is going to work. So let's go down. See, as you see, this time it's working. This means when we are creating our code, we need to test it. Making mistakes, having a bug in the code is very natural, it's very normal. So this means we are learning from our mistakes. So this is the code for Apple. Okay, so and then let's come to the variables. How we can create variables. I click on it. See, our score beetle and then score butterfly is here. But if we didn't have these two variables, so we can click on make a variable, and then we can give a name. Okay, so I'm giving a score variable for all sprites or for this sprite only. Okay, we can choose anything, and then this variable is will be there. And then what we can do with scratch, we can set score to 0, change score by 1 point. Okay, show variable score, hide variable score. We set it. So this means when we click on it, like score variable, it's going to appear on the screen. So, but this score variable, we will not be able to, we will not use it. That's why I'm erasing it. This is how we create a variable, and how to change, how to set a variable, how to change the variable. Okay, I think you found this tutorial useful, and then you'll learn a lot. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Have a nice day.